Welcome to JH. Finch is a self-care pet app designed to help you feel more prepared, positive, and slightly less like a walking disaster every single day. The concept is simple. You take care of a virtual pet by actually taking care of yourself. Because apparently, we need a digital bird to guilt trip us into drinking water and touching grass. It's cute, right? You get to choose from various personalized exercises, but the real question is whether Finch is actually legit or just another overhyped digital pacifier. Let's break it down. The first good sign is its availability. Finch isn't hiding behind some shady download link in a dark corner of the internet. It's right there on both the Play Store and the App Store. On Google Play, it boasts a staggering 4.9-star rating from over 10 million downloads. Meanwhile, on the App Store, it's rocking a perfect 5-star rating and ranks 7th in the health and fitness category. That's a massive level of trust for an app that basically asks you if you've remembered to breathe today. The second green flag comes straight from the users. People describe Finch as a gentle, motivating companion that keeps them consistent with self-care without being annoying. They love the slow growth approach, gratitude exercises, and the friends feature that makes mental health feel a little less like a solo mission. While the free version is plenty for most mortals, some upgrade to Finch Plus for extras like soundscapes and physical activities. Because nothing says inner peace like a monthly subscription fee. The third sign of trust is its history. Finch's website was created back in October 2021, meaning the app has been around for years. In the tech world, scam apps usually vanish faster than your motivation on a Monday morning. So this longevity adds serious credibility. Fourth, they have a massive social media presence with over 400,000 followers on Instagram. Unlike shady developers who avoid the spotlight, Finch actually stays connected and keeps its users updated. Finally, we have the fifth green flag, actual customer support. Their website provides an email, a physical address, and even a contact number. That's a level of transparency you just don't see with apps that are trying to steal your data or your sanity. So is Finch legit? Looking at the evidence, the stellar ratings, the glowing reviews, the long track record, and the clear support channels, the answer is a resounding yes. Finch is absolutely a safe, trustworthy, and effective self-care app. Not only does it help you build healthy habits day by day, but it also makes the process feel positive and actually fun. It turns out that having a tiny digital bird judge your lifestyle is surprisingly motivating. Thanks so much for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews that tell it like it is.